Hi viewers. Welcome to my channel, Foodbot by Rez. Today's recipe's the finest in Foodbot Rez. Tandoori chicken. There are two sets of ingredients. The first set is for chicken marination. They're as follows. Chicken 500 grams. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Curd 3 tablespoons. Vinegar 1 tablespoon. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric ½ tablespoon. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Salt 2 tablespoons. Lime juice 1 tablespoon. Oil 2 tablespoons. Food coloring red 1/4 tablespoon. The second set of ingredients for the gravy. They're as follows. Onion 3 nose big. Tomato 4 nose big. Curry leaves. Pandan leaves. Biryani leaves. Cinnamon. Clove. Cardamom. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Curd 3 tablespoons. Sugar 2 tablespoons. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric ½ tablespoon. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Salt 1 tablespoon. Garam masala 1 tablespoon. Food coloring red 1/4 tablespoon. All the ingredients are available in the below description box. Let's start with the chicken marination. Take 500 grams of chicken, cleaned and washed. Make deep cuts in the chicken. The deeper you cut, more masala will coat into the chicken. Two tablespoons oil. 2 tablespoons of salt. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. ½ tablespoon of turmeric. 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of garam masala. 1/4 tablespoon of food coloring red. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 3 tablespoons of curd. By adding a ½ tablespoon of dry ginger powder, while marinating the chicken, you will get the exact flavor of tandoori. Mix it well until masala coat nicely into the chicken. You can add simply tandoori masala, which is available in shops, but this recipe is all about making the dish from what's available in your kitchen. Cover from cling wrap. Refrigerator for ½ an hour. Take a pan, add some oil and shallow fry the chicken. Don't forget to fry the chicken in medium flame, or else chicken will not cook eventually, it will only burn. Flip the chicken time to time. Fry the chicken in batches. Don't forget to fry the chicken in medium flame, or else chicken will not cook eventually, it will only burn. Flip the chicken time to time. See how perfectly fried. And the beautiful color of the chicken. Now, let's move to the gravy. Keep a new pan in the stove. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. I use oil here which I took to fry the chicken. This will help to get more taste in our dish. Add sliced 3 big onions. Sauté well. Add green chili. Add pandan leaves. And then curry leaves. Sauté well. Add cinnamon. Add cardamoms. And then mace, star anise, and cloves. Give it a mix. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well until the raw smell goes off. Add chopped 4 tomatoes. 1 tablespoon of salt. Cook them in medium flame until soft and mushy. See, tomatoes look beautiful inside pot. Cook until oil separates. Add half tablespoon of turmeric. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of garam masala. 1/4 tablespoon of food coloring red. Mix it well. Add 3 tablespoons of curd. You can add yogurt instead of curd. Give a good mix until curd dissolve. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it well. And then 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well. When it comes to boil, add fried chicken. Cover and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Don't overcook the chicken, because already we have fried. If we are overcooked, chicken will tear into pieces. Add fried onions and this will make the gravy thicker. Finally, add coriander leaves. Add some more coriander leaves. Switch off the stove. It's ready to serve. See, it's looking good. Delicious tandoori chicken is ready. You can have this biryani rice and roti. My next video will be tandoori chicken biryani. So, like my videos, subscribe my channel to stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Let's meet from another video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe my channel Foodbot by Rez. Thank you and goodbye.